Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to create Google Cloud account free. Now here are some steps on how to create a free Google Cloud account. First of all, visit Google Cloud website, that is go to Google Cloud's homepage. Then start your free trial by clicking on get started for free or try free to begin creating your account. Now log in with your existing Google account or create a new one if you don't already have one. You need to provide your billing details, that is your credit or debit card, and Google will place a small verification hold, but you won't be charged unless you choose to upgrade after your trial ends. You need to review and accept Google terms of services and privacy policy. Now, once you've completed the sign up, you'll be directed to Google Cloud Console where you can explore Google Cloud's services. Now, here's a few things you need to know about the free trial and free tier. Free trial, you can get $300 in credits for 90 days to try out Google Cloud services. Now for the free tier, Google Cloud offers certain services that remain free after the trial ends with some usage limits. For more details on the free tier, check out Google Cloud free tier. Now, although you will need to provide billing information for account verification, you won't be charged unless you choose to continue using paid services after the free trial period. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.